welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done. I did post a brow tutorial on my Instagram, so you could go check it out. Just click the link below. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Ambrosia Cosmetics IFX in white. Now that my eyes are primed, I'm gonna go in with the James Charles X Morphe Artistry palette. I'm also gonna go in with the Jeffree Star X Morphe collaboration palette. I'm gonna apply the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara to my lashes. The trick to sticking eyelashes is to put glue on my lash line and on the lash, so that way it grips better and stays on longer. This is the Ruby Kisses Hydrating Primer. So the reason I'm applying this primer with a brush is because I don't like the feeling of pore filling primers. It's just gross in my hand and I don't like it. I'm gonna use the LA Colors Illuminating Drops in its lips to just give me an inner glow. So I just apply those drops in places that I will usually highlight. Since I already used the hydrating primer, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte and poreless one in 340 Cappuccino. This foundation is gonna do is kind of even it out so I won't look extra oily. I'm gonna take my damp airy sponge. So what I'm doing is I'm not putting the foundation underneath my eyes. I am going up, but I'm not putting it directly underneath there, just because I don't want to make it too cakey underneath there because it can crease and I don't want it to be creasing and making me look crazy. So I like to set my face in layers, which makes the makeup stay way longer. So to do that, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spritz the foundation, pushing that product into my skin. I am gonna use the Fenty Matte Stick in Wheat. Rub it on the back of my hand to warm it up, just like that. I'm gonna take the same beauty blender and the product that I warmed up on my hand, I'm just gonna dip into it, because if you don't do this and when you put the beauty blender onto the concealer, it will kind of pick up that first layer. So that's why you put a layer on to deposit it onto your face. I'm gonna go in with the KKW contour stick. This is the deep dark contour. I'm gonna take the brush that comes with it and I'm gonna pat and blend the contour upwards. So now I'm gonna spritz my face again to lock everything in place. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Setting Powder to set my highlighted areas. I'm gonna go in with the B8 Studio Pro Contour Palette to set my contour. If you use a grayish brown to contour, just go in with a warmer contour powder and you should be fine. Now I'm gonna go in with a skin tone powder to set the areas like around my mouth where, you know, it didn't have contour and it didn't have highlight, just to set it and keep it in place. I'm gonna set everything again. This helps melt the powder into the skin. And I'm gonna set pretty heavily on this round. And again, pushing that product into the skin. For highlight, I am gonna spritz my brush. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the Ambrosia Beauty Brow in medium brown to line my lips. I know this is an eyebrow gel, but it's a really good lip liner as well. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Dazzle. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, like that. Oh! Okay, that's okay. The Sasha Cosmetics Lip Shine Gloss in Shea Sugar. The last spritz. I promise this is the last spritz just to lock everything in place. I'm gonna go in and set one last time. So while my setting spray is drying, let me end out the video. So we only used like 5 colors on the eyes, which was really simple. It's more of a dark burgundy color. To keep this look simple, so I only used like 5 colors on the lids. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching if you reached this far, and stay tuned for my next video.